I hope when people look at our recipes and see how simple it is, that they're inspired from our culture, our state from Yucatan, Mexico. You can take a little amount of ingredients and make delicious salsa with it. A lot of the salsas we make are inspired by the habanero pepper because that's something big in our culture. So if you're ever visiting in Estacada, Oregon on a summer day, you'll see us open, making fresh tortillas, making fresh salsas in our food cart. It's something that we enjoy doing. It's a lot of work, but it takes a lot of passion and a lot of dedication to keep our food carts open.